Just trying. No, it's good. I was just trying out. We're going to take a train 2 minutes all the way to there. Oh, we gotta go quick. It's gonna close. It's gonna close. It's gonna close. Yeah, it's pretty crammed in here.
Quer segurar aqui, ó?
No. Is it gonna go quick?
I have no idea. Não sei se isso vai rápido, se isso não vai rápido.
I hope it doesn't.
Segura na mamãe.
Yeah, I'm gonna hold my mom. I feel like
Adorei.
it's safer.
Que legal isso. A mulher tava olhando, ela meio que tava dando um sinal pra nós.
Chamar aquele,
Né?
chamar mais gente.
Aí pra cá.
Oh my gosh, guys. Wait, I wanna film
Se
it.
demos bem. Cabia nós três certinho. Pode segurar na mamãe.
Look at
Pessoal
that.
com os ventiladores.
Oh, I almost fell. Okay. Oh, it's pretty slow. The fast train,
Pô, é legal.
the fast train will get us from. I forgot.
O Rafael tira
Onde que nós tá
foto.
agora? Onde que nós tá agora?
A gente tá no Osaka, Kansai
Osaka.
Airport.
Yeah. So it's gonna take us from Osaka to Tokyo. The fast train.
Perto dos outros eles passam devagarzinho.
I know, but the fast train. I'm talking about the fast train.
Entendi.
Yeah, it's gonna get us there. Anyway, I'll pause it. This might take a while. Later, yeah, it is in 2 minutes. It's pretty longer than 2 minutes. I think. What is this? I just tripped on my. I just tripped on there, so that was kind of embarrassing. I just tripped on there. Oh, what do we do? I'm gonna turn off the video.